Well, from the thousands of entries received, one boy and one girl are chosen. This year, the 3KZ Princess is 10-year-old Michaela Collins of Ivanhoe, and Brad Draper, 11 years, from West Heidelberg. The children were officially crowned Prince and Princess of Moomba by the King and Queen of Moomba last week. The prizes, apart from their royal titles, include a bicycle, vouchers for shopping at Myer, and tickets to Moomba attractions. They're travelling in the Moomba procession today with 3KZ breakfast personality Peter Meehan. Incidentally, this is the third year that young Brad Draper, Pete, has entered for the 3KZ Prince of Moomba, so obviously persistence pays off. Good luck to him. And Michaela looks absolutely beautiful too.